Mainit-init na chismis. Aktor secretly in love with Gen Z superstar. Kanyang inamin yan sa tatlong mosang na hindi nila pwedeng ilabas sa publiko. Dahil nga may ka-love team nga ang aktres. Sabi niya, I've been watching her for the longest time. Not because I don't feel anything, but because sometimes silence feels safer than confession. Dagdag pa niya, there are feelings you don't say out loud. Not because we are weak, but because we're afraid of losing even the little connection we already have. Every time I see her, the world feels lighter. You don't even have to try. You're the kind of presence that feels like home even without promises. Just seeing her is enough. I don't need anything more. Her presence alone already changed my energy, like a quiet comfort that I never asked for but always needed. And I don't know how long I felt this way. I don't know if I'll ever find the courage to tell her. But I don't know this. She bring me joy even if she never know it. Maybe some loves are meant to stay quiet. No expectations, no demands, just genuine care from a distance. Ala, sino kaya ang aktor na ito? Alam kaya ni Donnie? Kayo mga Donbell fans, comment down below.